Manufacturing day, I don't know, it's a field trip that LISD offered us, and I decided to go on a field trip and see what it's all about.
We really enjoy having the next generation of machinists and the next generation of our workforce coming in to actually put hands on and actually see what we do on a daily basis. I really like the dynamic. I like shops. This is the kind of atmosphere I've been in my whole life. So it gave me a good opportunity to use, both technical knowledge and my education to help the business. It's one thing to learn those things in a classroom setting, but I think when kids come in and actually see the parts being made, see some of the cooler stuff guys are doing out here, it's motivational to them to hopefully drive them into this field in the future.
It's just a really cool experience.